Baba, talking to you people. Are you guys okay? I have here a lady who has come from Germany who tells me that she is a TikTok champion and that I need to talk to the audience of TikTok.
They love you.
So I love TikTok and I love you people. I am very happy to make your acquaintance and hope that we can work together.
Yes, we will.
And together we shall succeed.
Yes.
We shall overcome.
Yes.
A luta continua.